Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to delete all WooCommerce products in my store. Right now I have 20,000 plus products in my store. I want to delete it immediately. Actually it's not immediately, and maybe within a few minutes I can delete all products. By choosing one by one, it takes very long time. It takes many hours to delete all products because I have 21,000 products in my store. There is two different ways. The number one is you can run a SQL query, and another one is you can use a special plugin. This is the query you need to run in the PHPMyAdmin section. I will give you the code in the description so you can copy and paste in the SQL section. You can log in your hosting account and control panel, then access the PHPMyAdmin, and you just click the SQL section and paste the given query and then run. Then after that you can remove all products instantly. Within a few seconds you can remove all products. That's not a matter, it's hundreds or thousands. You can remove all products instantly. But this method is something risky because it deletes everything. That's why I suggest you to use a special plugin called Store Toolkit for WooCommerce. You can get this plugin from the WordPress plugins directory. Actually it's a free plugin. You just install that plugin in your WordPress admin by accessing your plugin sections and add new. You can search the plugin name, you can get the plugin. I already added that plugin, so the active button is right now disabled because I already added this plugin. Once you install this plugin, you just go to the settings section. In settings, you can see lot of options to control your WooCommerce store. See here, there is a lot of options we can manage our WooCommerce store. You just click the new link, and there you can see some options to remove the plugins or the products or categories or tags, and lot of things you can do there. Once you select and click the button, it takes some time. Until that you just wait. The removing speed depends upon your hosting server. If you have a shared hosting or low configured, low bandwidth hosting packages, it takes more time. But if you have a VPS or high configured hosting packages, the time will be very less and it takes very few minutes only. Suppose the removal process may be interrupted. On the time you can see like this. The error shows it looks like a previous nuke failed to clear that dataset. This is a common one. You just click the retry link, then the process will continue to removing those products. Once the process completed, you can see this type of success message in the Store Toolkit section. Then you can check out the product section, and everything will be removed. Just I got a success message, so I am checking the product section. Just I click the all product section. See here, all products are removed from my store. In the beginning I show you 21,000 of products in my store. Now everything removed. It looks like a new store. This is a very simple process to remove all your products from WooCommerce store. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.